How to hide likes on Instagram Reels. Now, if you want to not show or hide the fact that people have liked your uploaded Instagram Reels, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon. If you scroll down, you will be able to see that the pictures and videos or Reels that you have posted is mixed in with one another. So all you have to do to hide the likes or the like count of your reel is to tap on one of your reels, which is right here, and tap on these three dots on the upper corner. Now once you're here, it will give you various options, such as archiving it or deleting it, as well as removing this from your profile grid. Now in order for you to hide the like count to everyone on the internet, all you have to do is to tap on this hide like count to others. After tapping that, people who scroll down and see the Instagram Reels that you have won't be able to see how many likes your Instagram Reel have gotten. So that's how to hide likes on Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.